Let's start coloring by learning the names of color. Here is blue color. Here is parrot color. Pink color. Here is purple color. Yellow color. Orange color. Green color. Sky blue color. Now let's color the high heel. How many heels can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 high heels.